Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a tour of my fidget toys. So this is my first one. I'll give this like a, by the way, I'm also rating. I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. I love it. It's like, it has like clear glow, I would say, in it. And it's like a slow rising, and I love it. This, you can get these like Walmart, whatever. They're like, I don't know anymore, but yeah. I made a fidget, pencil. I use a bracelet, pipe cleaner, and whatever the heck that is. And this thing, I just made like an hour ago or something. I really don't know what I wanted to make it like. This 1,000 out of 10. I love it. Like, and stuff. Yeah. These things came out of my bag that I was gonna put them in. But yeah. Stress ball. Yes. Bye.